Quick one, nothing here is financial advice. It's for entertainment and educational purposes only. Always do your own research or speak to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Enjoy the episode and like and subscribe.
Yo, so welcome back. This is going to be a tutorial on setting up the new Coinbase Smart Wallet. This has been a long time coming. A lot of people have tried to attempt like account abstraction wallets where we obfuscate the terrible user experience and the user interface that the likes of MetaMask bring to the table. There is no way that we're going to onboard the masses with the current kind of UI UX. Rabi, kind of a step in the right direction, still leaves a lot to be desired with regards to kind of onboarding and ease of use. And the thing is with smart wallets as well is we're stepping in the right direction now with regards to being able to have social sign-in, so through Google and Apple and things like that. Let's be honest, if your friends and family aren't the most tech-savvy people on the planet, they're not going to be remembering to store their seed phrase correctly, write it down in 3 separate places, or even break it up. You know, it's just the onboarding experience is just a pain in the ass, completely frank. And smart wallets are a step in the next direction. So this is the landing page, so wallet.coinbase.com. And just looking at a bit of the copy. So what makes a wallet smart? So a smart wallet, getting on chain faster and easier. You can store, swap, mint, and more with just at your fingertips. There is no mobile app, no extension, no password, no secret code. It's the wallet for everyone. It's simple and it's smart. So the difference is, I suppose, between an EOA wallet, which is an externally owned account, which you will have came to know and use with the likes of MetaMask and Rabi and whoever you use. Anything that you saw seed phrase with, that's an EOA. This is a smart contract wallet where, as I say, it's got a little bit more functionality. Yeah, we're going to kind of go through it, to go through the setup, and then we're going to pick it apart, see what we like, see what we don't like. So really good UI, UX, which you'd obviously come to expect from Coinbase. Create a smart wallet, and then we're going to go with, my Chrome tab. And there we go, easy. So they'll prompt you to fund it. You can go Coinbase on-ramp if you want to go down that route, or if you've already got some assets, then you can just deposit in. So what you've got, really nice, simple search functionality there. Let's say if we typed in, what coins do we have on base? Brett, it's a topical coin. So yeah, really good search function. You click through, gives you a high level of what's going on there, market cap, contract address, and all that kind of good stuff. Buying, you buy assets on there, send, add crypto on-ramp, add crypto with Coinbase on-ramp. Swap, you can imagine. I'd like to know where this routes it through, but you've got the option of you've been deposited on Ethereum, Optimism, and Smart Chain, Polygon, Base, Arbitrum, Avalanche. I'd like to see Solana on there. I think that's actually a good integration. But I think Solana is slightly behind with regards to smart wallets. And then in the top right, what you've got is this wallet icon where it generates your address. So 0x47CE, blah, 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 85EE. Really good prompt there, because a lot of people, when they first start, will not understand that despite addresses being relatively the same across the board, networks are something else that you have to kind of wrap your head around. So if you're just signing up and you're listening to this as a total beginner, there's multiple different networks where you can send and receive assets on. So maybe that's Ethereum, and then you could send, stable coins like USDC, and you can send that on Ethereum to another Ethereum address. But you can also send USDC from an Arbitrum to an Arbitrum address, which is just a layer 2 built on Ethereum or on Avalanche. And then to go across these different networks, you need something like a bridge to facilitate that. So always make sure that your wallet is connected to the specific network that you're looking to try and transact on. So we can add a wallet, add a Coinbase wallet. So basically you can add the mobile wallet that's available, or then you can just add another smart wallet like you've obviously seen us set up there today. Basically, you can connect that to your Coinbase account, so you can be able to just seamlessly move your assets that you might have stored on Coinbase over to your wallet. So it's in your self-custody, which I'd always recommend, and basic display, and then other features, this dApps section, so decentralized applications. This is a really good way of allowing seamless onboarding whilst also having the white labeling of interesting apps, right? So what tends to happen in crypto a lot is there can be malicious links, and if people click through those links and they sign transactions with their MetaMask or their Rabi, they are getting better in preemptively simulating these transactions, so you can kind of see what the final asset deposit or removal of that said transaction will be. The only issue being is that front ends still get hacked. Making sure you've got the correct URLs is really, really important. As I say, you always want to bookmark your URLs and get them from a trusted and reliable source, like you can use something like DeFi Llama and go through their directory and make sure that's correct there. What Coinbase has done here with the Smart Wallet is really, really interesting, where they've basically said, well, we're going to trust and we're going to verify these specific applications, and then we're going to kind of white label them and put them in the app. So just going through a couple of them, like Radium's really popular, Galaxy, PancakeSwap, Stargate, which is a bridge to move your assets in between chains. So basically, let's say I have some ETH on Ethereum and I wanted to get it on to Base, which is Coinbase L2. What I've done is go through the portal on here, open the dApp, and then connect in my wallet. Stargate wants to connect to your wallet, allow that, seamless connection, really quick, and then it'd be just basically going through the transfer process. So in our example, we wanted to go from Ethereum, and we wanted to end up on Base with our ETH. So if we had a deposited amount of ETH in there, this will basically tell you how to do it. We can go the economy route where gas is low, or we can go the fast route where the gas is relatively higher, but the difference in time, if you go for the economy route, it's going to be 6 minutes or versus 3 minutes. So that's just a basic example of the applications that are within inside the Coinbase Smart Wallet. There's a whole load here which are really, really good to go and try. If it is your first kind of foray into being on chain or trying stuff out, then this is really, really good. I'd check out the trending and the featured ones, because there are kind of this like there's quests where you can basically get your head around like how stuff on chain works and how trading actual crypto works and how different applications are used and why they're used and what the benefits and what the cons are of these. So give it a whirl. What I'd also recommend is, if you say you have some Ethereum on Coinbase and you want to send to your smart wallet, so obviously you'd copy your address, send the ETH to this address. So on your Coinbase app itself, the actual Coinbase app itself, withdraw to your smart wallet, or connect it to here, and then you'll be able to deposit directly through that. And then make sure you select the network that you actually want to send it to. So if it's ETH, you might want to send it to, if you're just trying stuff out, I'd probably recommend if you just send it to Base. So this is Coinbase's L2. It's got all the applications. You can try stuff out. It'd be really, really cheap. It'd be a fraction of a cent to try everything out. And then you can select here on the Networks tab which applications are available within inside the Coinbase Smart Wallet app, and then you can go and try it out. So you might want to have a look at Magic Eden, see what the NFT situation like is on there, maybe pick up some cheap NFTs, see how that process works. Or maybe you want to go to Arbitrum, which is a decentralized exchange where you can trade assets back and forth. So if you had some ETH, you can connect here, Coinbase Wallet, and then go through that whole process and then trade some assets. Or maybe you want to, I don't know, what else have we got? We got OpenSea there for more NFTs, Base Swap, kind of does what it says on the tin. Pendle, a little bit more complex yield product. And then we got some, you've got some cross-chain bridging and cross-chain applications there. FriendTech, more of a social fi application. So all of these you can try out. I'd recommend, if you want to do it like relatively cheap and just send however much you can kind of afford to play around with, just send it to your address here. And then once you go through, make sure you connect to the respective app and then just try everything out, see what you like, see what you don't like. And yeah, I think that's probably about it. And if you did want to withdraw the funds, you can always just go to send. And once you do have a balance here, it will show the balance. And then you'll be able to send that back to your Coinbase or send that to whatever centralized exchange you wanted, if you wanted to eventually sell it and then cash it out into the bank. But other than that, pretty straightforward, really, really simple sign-up process. And finally, if you went back to the assets section and you did buy some NFTs and stuff like that, they would just be housed here, and all the previous transaction record would be set here. So other than that, I think that's it. And stick around. If you give us a like, give us a subscribe, and there's going to be a lot more onboarding stuff. There's going to be a lot more kind of introductory stuff, how to kind of navigate the realms of DeFi and some of the applications that we use day to day, and how to kind of learn from our mistakes that we've learned all over the years, so you can kind of get on board as quickly as possible. So if you enjoyed that, please give us a follow, give us a like. It's a new channel, and just check out any links in the description if you'd want to support blockmates. And yeah, thanks a lot. See you next time.
All right, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the show, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on for next time. See ya.